Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a video kind of like, like the last videos, just in one. So today's video, as you guys saw by today's title and the intro and all that stuff, it is how to pass your classes during online school. So I know online school is tough, so I'm here to make it a little bit easier for you guys. This is gonna be like the last video I'm gonna make about online school, I think, until next week, which I'm gonna do a vlog of what I am doing for the during online school, so you guys can actually see if I'm productive or not, because even I making these videos can be unproductive. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys like this video. Let's just get straight on into the video. I talk about methods that you can use to, again, like stay focused, which will be linked in the eye. All of my online videos will be linked in the eye sometime in the video so that you guys can use it as reference. So let's just get straight on into the video. So the very first thing is to study smarter, not harder. I have mentioned this in a past video of online school, but it really works. So if, for example, if you're going through flashcards, don't go through all the flashcards. Pick out the ones that are hard for you and go through them, because if you already know something, you're not going to benefit from studying it over and over. You're going to benefit from learning over things that you don't know. So again, that's being smarter and not harder, even though studying harder isn't really like a definition. So make sure you guys are just studying things that you really don't understand, because this way you'll benefit from it. It'll be a lot easier to understand. You can always review things, but I'm not talking about like studying every single day things that you already know, because you're not going to benefit from it as with if you study like things that you don't know. The next tip is try to redo your assignments. My school is actually letting us like redo assignments, any assignment, any test, anything like that. So since online school is so tough, try to get your teachers to redo assignments that you get really low grades on. You should still be studying and getting some decent grades. I know that online school is tough, but hopefully my last videos have helped you kind of not be so tough. So obviously, you need to just email your teacher, stay in contact. I've talked about it before. Stay in contact with your teacher so that you can actually try to redo those assignments. And I think if the teachers actually understand and know that you're putting in an effort, then they'll want to put in an effort also, because it's not hard for you, it's hard for the teachers also. My next tip for you guys is to rewrite your notes as well as reread your notes. I know that when I'm taking class notes, they're not the best notes. They're kind of sloppy because I'm just trying to get all the information down. So then when I go home or the next day, I rewrite them so that I can really make sure that I understand the notes. This is going to give you the benefit of doubt. Like, it's going to make life easier for you to study with from your notes. And it's also going to make it a lot easier for you to remember things, because you're going to be rereading them. Don't reread them the same day, reread them the next day, so that you actually remember what you learned the first day, and you know that you're going in with a fresh brain, a fresh eyes, all that stuff. Because again, you don't want to be stressed, but you do want to, kind of know the material better. My second to last tip is to check for new things every single day. So you don't really want to lose easy points because you didn't know that there was something there. So make sure you're checking it, because this way, you're always checking to make sure that there's something there. Because I know my teachers personally, they put something in. They put everything new in the beginning of the week on Monday. But sometimes they change it and they add something, and sometimes they don't let us know because they want us to check it. So make sure you guys are checking for new things so that you don't lose easy points on assignments that could have been just completion or something like that. So personally, I feel like you guys will be more productive if you're checking every single day at the beginning of the day that, oh, I don't have any new assignments, so let me just work on the assignments I'm supposed to. Or, oh, I do have some new assignments, let me work on the past assignments and then work on these. So I feel like they just kind of help you get ready for the day, and they also make sure that you're not losing points over. You don't have to tell your teacher, hey, I didn't know that we had an assignment, and then they'll be like, hey, you're supposed to check every day to know that there's an assignment. So make sure that doesn't happen to you by just checking every day, and trust me, it just makes you a little bit more productive. I feel like personally, because it made me a little bit more productive when I check on what I'm supposed to do every day. I personally use Canvas for school, and it like tells me what I'm supposed to do, and it lets me notifies me. But if yours doesn't, then you really want to make sure that you check every day. Okay, so the very last one is work at your own pace. I think this one is one of the most important things that you need to pass your classes. Because if you're stressed, you're probably going to end up not wanting to do your work because it causes you stress. You're also going to end up, stressed because this time is already stressful enough. So make sure you guys are not stressing yourself. Make sure you guys are working at your own pace. Like I said before, I know that my teachers are very forgiving right now because they know that online school is a lot harder than in person. So make sure you guys are working at your own pace because, again, stress just leads to too many things. And just trust me on this. It just leads to way too many things that should not be mentioned. Anyways, I want to give you, guys, a quick recap of how to pass your classes at your own time, at your own pace. Work at your own pace. Redo assignments if you can. That also leads to connecting with your teachers, rereading your assignments. Work smarter, not harder, and check for new things every single day. So those are everything that we touched base on. I hope that they help you in the near future. Again, don't stress yourself out with things. Make sure you guys are planning what you guys are going to do with everything that is going on. One thing I will mention that I think just flew my mind. I think it's gone. I just had an idea and it just flew out of my mind. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I will link throughout this video all of my online school videos, and if you check in the description box below, I do have videos of, I have all of the playlists that I make, and I put in all of the online videos that I have made throughout this time and before this time, last year or the beginning of this year. So stay tuned for any more videos. Again, stay tuned for next week's video because it is a vlog. So I'm showing you guys everything that I'm doing. I'm actually filming it right now as I speak. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it's helpful to you. Comment down below any feedback. I love to hear you guys' feedback. So again, this time is really stressful, so I'm trying to make videos that help you. And as December comes through, I'm going to start making end of the year type videos for you guys. So stay tuned for those. I'm super excited. And yeah, so stay tuned until next Sunday's video because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Bye guys.